How to log in into the Oracle Employee Self-Service Portal. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Oracle Employee Login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Oracle Login, single sign-on, open it. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your account. So go ahead and type in your username. Type in the password. In the case you have any issues logging into your account, click on this option of Need Help and resolve your issue. Once you fill this, click on Sign In, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. Likewise, in the case you haven't registered for your account yet, click on this option of Create Account and you can do that. Well, this way you can easily log in into the Oracle Employee Self-Service Portal. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.